Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix CS2 not running. So fixing CS2 running is just fixing like every other game not running. This is just a general fix. I'm not going to be showing you some specific fixes because I don't know what specific problem you have. So this is just a specific fix. So what you can do first is that you head over to CS2. Not really. So you search up device manager on your PC and this thing right here should appear. It's a bit laggy, but you head over to display adapters and you'll see the drivers that you have on your PC. You update them by right clicking and click on update drivers, and if they're updated, then that should be fine. You check out the other problems that you have, which you can see in Windows Update. And as you can see here, my PC needs a lot of updates, so make sure your PC is kept updated so that some apps or games like CS2 will continue to work as normal. And another thing is updating your driver too, which you can find on, I'm using NVIDIA, so I can use GeForce Experience to download some new drivers. As you can see here, I'm downloading a driver, an updated version. And the last thing that you can do is head over to manage over here and click properties, and then head to installed files and verify integrity of game files. So it's gonna check the game files whether it's complete or missing something, and if it's done, it's gonna take a while, but once it's done, it should fix how the game works. That is how you fix CS2 not running. If there's some problem, you can comment it down and maybe we'll find another solution for it. But usually, if you have problems, you can head over to the Counter-Strike Reddit, because lots of people have had similar problems to you before and they had it answered surely. If it's not part of Valve's problem, yeah. But that's it. That's how you fix it. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!